Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. For those of you who are new here, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion and lifestyle. If you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video I have a review and a haul for you, as well as an unboxing. So I have a little bit of everything for you today. I'm going to be introducing you to a new brand. Well, it's new to me. I don't think it's a new brand, but it is new to me because this year one of my goals was to try out new brands and also dibble and dab into luxury. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I have a REVIVO, I think that's the name of the brand, a haul and review, and also I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Dior, because I did get something from Dior for Valentine's Day. My husband got it for me, so I'm going to unbox that. But we'll do the REVIVO stuff first. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what I just recently purchased from REVIVO and also from Dior, then just keep watching. All right, so let me just give you guys some background in case you've never heard of this brand, because I've never heard of it, and I heard of it or first saw it from other YouTubers on here who did reviews, and I like some of the pieces. They're kind of remind me, like, they're very girly. Some of them are very girly pieces, and they have a lot of basics, and they have just a variety of things on the website. And it is a Chinese based brand, so it is based out of China. So yeah, but they had some cute pieces, just from what I can see from different hauls. So I just thought I would try it out for myself and see how I liked it, you know. And like I said, I wanted to try new brands. So from what the other reviews were saying, the pieces were pretty good quality, so I just thought I would check it out for myself. And the pieces are pretty affordable. Like, they're not like too crazy. I just went on there just to kind of get a few pieces. I didn't go too crazy. I only have like 4 pieces, and actually I got one item I got in 2 different colors. So that's just what I do. When I like something, I'll get it in 2 colors. So because I didn't have anything like this, so we'll just get into it. So first thing I got is this cardigan, and this is actually the whole reason why I went on the website, because I had been seeing a lot of the vloggers and YouTubers doing reviews on like these Chanel like pieces, because a lot of their pieces are very like Chanel vibes to me, and this definitely is. And of course it's in one of my favorite colors is green, and this I got in a size large. And let me see how much this is on the website. So currently on the website this is $49.90, so you know, 50 bucks for a cute, you know, cardigan that's very Chanel-esque, and it's very good quality. I will say it's thick but not too thick, because I love cardigans and I like to wear them year-round. So this one I feel like is definitely a year-round piece. And like I said, the quality is really nice on it. I don't see like any loose thread. Definitely good quality. Like the buttons are, it looks like the buttons are sewed on there pretty well. Like, you know how some stuff you get from China, okay, like it's not sewed on there really good. And so this is sewed on really good. And yeah, I mean, I see one little loose thread on here now that I'm kind of inspecting a few loose threads. So, but it's not anything too bad. And like I said, the quality, it's really nice quality. Like, it's really super thick and very stretchy fabric. And yeah, again, I got this one in a size large, and I feel like I could have gone up a little bit because it is kind of cropped on me, and I have a short torso. So yeah, if you have a long torso, it's probably going to be even more cropped on you. But I just like the gold detail. Like, there's like some gold flecks in the trim, and the buttons are really nice. Like, this pearl detail on the buttons is really pretty and very nice and sophisticated. However, for me, I think I would wear this with some jeans, like some distressed jeans, and maybe like maybe my Gucci Princetown loafers, and maybe put like a little brooch on it just to further style it up. But I definitely would kind of dress this down, because I feel like it's very dressy piece, and just looks very elegant, you know what I mean. But of course you can dress it up like with a nice skirt, or put, you know, a nice dress underneath it and layer this over your nice dress if you know, want to kind of go for that, you know, dressy vibe. But for me, I purchased it with the intent of dressing it down with some distressed jeans and like just kind of casual it up a little bit, because it is very dressy. And yeah, so like I said, I got this in a size large, and I'm a medium, typically a medium up top, and it fits me fine. You know, these pieces, I will say, I've tried them on, they do fit a little bit small. So if you want them to just fit, of course you can get your normal size. But if you want them to be a little bit, you know, bigger, and want them to kind of give you a little room, I would suggest you size up. And that's just based off on the pieces that I just have, you know. So yeah, so but yeah, so this is a nice little cardigan. Like I said, this is the reason why I even purchased on the website, is I was just gonna get this, and then I went and looked and saw some other things that I wanted to try out. So, and actually I just went on there again after I checked these pieces out, because I didn't want to get a whole lot of stuff at once, because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, because that would mean more stuff for me to have to take back. So I just got a few things just to try out, and so far I like these pieces. So I actually went back on the site and got this in a black, because it comes in black and also comes in a cream. So of course black goes with everything, so I had to get it in the black too. One thing I can say, we'll have to say about this piece, and I think these pieces, as far as in the black and in the cream, they're pre-order. So right now you're gonna have to wait before you can get the pieces, because they don't have them, I guess they don't have them in stock yet, but they're pre-order. So I guess they'll ship out, from what I could see from the website, they'll ship out like sometime in March. So if you're not in a rush to get it, then you know, I would say get it. But if you're in a rush and you need it for some, like an event or something coming up, yeah, you're not gonna get it. They're pre-order pieces. This one at least is a pre-order piece. And since we're talking about that, shipping took about 2 weeks, because it is coming from China. So I would say it took about 2.5 weeks before I got my order. So just keep that in mind too. If you, like I said, even after they ship it, it probably will take 2 weeks to get. So you're looking probably around April before you get it. So if you order now, so just keep that in mind. And that's only for the pre-order, like the pre-order stuff. I think the rest of these things, if you purchase now, you'll get soon, you know, sooner than later. But pre-order pieces, it'll be a minute. So just keep that in mind when you go on the site and you see pre-order. Just know that it'll be a while before you get it. And even like check the sizes, because some sizes they have in stock and can ship out, and some are pre-order. So that's kind of how I got this. I think I wanted it in an extra large, but I think the extra large was a pre-order, so I got the large, which is something that I would have gotten soon, which is why I'm getting it now. So, but just check the sizing on the pieces and make sure those particular sizes aren't pre-order. So, but yeah, so I love this one. And the next piece I got, I just got a bunch of tops. I tend to like, you know, I can do a whole lot with tops, and I knew I couldn't go wrong with tops, because I'm bigger at the bottom. And yeah, when it comes to like Chinese sites, when you order like bottoms, you just never know, especially because I'm tall. And so yeah, but the first piece I got, or the next piece I got, is this. It's just a basic, really. This is like an elevated basic, and it has like a little cutout detail in it. Cutout details are huge right now, and I'm pretty modest in my dressing, and I didn't want to get anything too revealing, and I thought this would be just enough to kind of like try out that cutout trend. And so it's just kind of cut out here up top, and like it's just enough skin to kind of show, you know, it's not too much, but like it would be the same as if I had like a v-neck top on. So I just thought this was a cute detail. I love gray, and I thought this would be a nice little basic, but not too basic, you know what I mean? Like it's basic but not too basic. And so this I got in a size large, I believe. Yeah, this was the size large, which is a US 8. And yeah, so again, really good quality, really nice and stretchy. This definitely just fits me. So it'd be good with layering though. Like I could put like, you know, like a coat on it, and it's wouldn't be too thick to layer, or I could put a light jacket on it, or you know, it's a good layering piece. So it's not too thick and it's not too thin, but it's definitely, if you want it to be oversized, you're probably gonna have to go up probably, I would say 2 sizes, because I think the sizes range from like extra small to 2X. So a variety of sizes on there. However, to me so far my pieces run small. So if you want them to just fit, you know, like I said, get your size. But if you want them to be a little oversized, you probably have to go up 2 sizes. Just kind of keep that in mind. But yeah, so I love this little piece. Again, it's a good layering piece, a good basic, kind of like a basic but not basic, like an elevated basic is what I like. So yeah, so I got it in the gray, and then I also got it in this black as well, because you can't go wrong with black, you know. And again, it has the cutout. It's the same piece, just in gray. And I got this one again, I mean just in black, and I got this again in a size large, which is the US 8. So like I said, it does run small, so just keep that in mind. And but it's a good layering piece. You know, you can wear, you know, put like a blazer on top of it, and you know, yeah, just have that little detail, the neckline here. So yeah, so love that piece. And again, these are pretty good quality pieces as well. Definitely well made. Like I don't see any like threads or anything hanging out of these, but they're just good. These are good basic pieces. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys how much these were. So these are currently on the site for like $29.90, so 30 bucks. So which isn't bad for like some, you know, basic knits. These are like basic knit tops, you know, that you'll just have in your wardrobe. So not bad. $30 is not bad. I mean, you probably pay that much at H&M. So and it's just, you know, an elevated basic. So yeah, so love that piece. And the last piece I got, I didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe, which is why I got this, and I thought it was really nice, and I just love the detail on it. But anyway, it's this dress, and it has like, I don't know if you can see it, but of course I tried all these pieces on, but it has like a little like a bandeau top on, layered on top of the dress, which I love that. And so I don't know if you can see it, but it has like flecks of like red in it, which I don't even think I saw that on the website. Yeah, but it has like these little flecks of red in it, red and gray, and it's just really pretty. This is super thick, and so I definitely won't get much more wear out of this, you know, before spring comes. So I'm definitely gonna have to start wearing this now while it's still cold. And yeah, because this is really thick. Like, this is really thick, but it's really super stretchy too. Like, I like these pieces because they're thick but not too thick, and they're stretch, so they won't feel too constricting. But yeah, I love this piece, and it's just like a little midi. It's like a midi dress on me, and I just thought this would look cute with like some knee-high boots. And I'll probably, just to style it up, I'd probably like pop on like one of my brooches on it, because I love brooches. And yeah, it's kind of elevated with a brooch. But yeah, I love this. This will look cute with my one of the Baker Boy. I have like a burgundy Baker Boy hat that I think will look cute with this, with some black boots and my red Coach Tabby bag. And yeah, this will be a look. So really love this piece. Like I said, it looks like really good quality. I don't see any threads coming out of it. This piece, let me see, I think this was probably the most expensive item that I got. Let me see. All right, so this, I think this is between this one and the cardigan, but this was $59.90, so $60 for a nice dress. I mean, this is really nice. Like, I feel like this could come from like a very, you know, nice, expensive, you know, department store. So someplace like, you know, Nordstrom's or like Bloomingdale's, you know, like it's that kind of quality. It's really nice, really nice. So, and the little bralette little piece here is attached, so it doesn't come off. But yeah, so I love it. And again, I feel like I got this in a large, and I feel like, I mean, it fits me fine. Like, it's really body hugging, but it stretches, so I don't feel constricted. But I do feel like I could have gotten away with getting an extra large, just because, you know, I have hips. I mean, it's fine up top, of course, but you know, it is a little snug down below, but it's fine. But I feel like I probably could have done with an extra large. So with this, I would say, you know, depending on how you want it to fit. You know, if you really want it to be body hugging and you don't mind, then get your true, you know, your true size, which I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'm a large, because I'm like a US 8, if that kind of can give you guys some reference to my dress size. It's like a US 8, which I don't know what that would be the equivalent of. I think it's between like a medium and a large. So, but I feel like if I would have gotten an extra large, it may have been just a little bit looser, and not so body hugging, but it's still nice all the same. And I just, like I said, love the little flecks. It's like kind of like fleckled a little bit, which, like I said on the website, I don't think I saw that. So I love that detail of it. So really love that piece. So I'm very much so happy with those pieces that I got from Urban. I think it's Urban Revivo or Urban Revivo. I don't know how to say it, but I'm happy with the pieces that I got. Like I said, the sizing is a little off, but I make it, you know, I can make it work, of course, but the sizing is a little off. So I would say, you know, to size up if you order anything on that website, because they do, at least the pieces that I have run a little small. So if you do get anything on there, just be on the safe side and size up. I mean, it's better for it to be a little oversized than to be too tight and you not feel comfortable in it. But I like these pieces. I'm gonna keep them. So so yeah, everything that I showed you guys I will link down below. And yeah, so we'll get into my Dior unboxing. All right, so me and my husband, we went to before Valentine's Day, because we don't like to really go anywhere on Valentine's Day because it's just too crowded. So we went on a Friday before Valentine's Day, or the weekend of Valentine's Day, and just went eating and, you know, did a little shopping. So we stopped at Dior. This is my first, is this my first Dior piece? I think it is. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I have anything from Dior. No, I don't. So this is my first Dior piece, and they put it like this little, had like this little star on it, and this is their Valentine's Day packaging, so it was really cute. Very much so a surprise. So but anyway, here is the receipt in here, I believe. Yeah, I haven't even worn this yet, but I'm gonna take it out of the bag here. Ooh, it's just kind of difficult to get out of this bag. Hold on, guys, let me try to get this out of this bag. All right, so here is the box. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully it's not like too blown out, but here's the box, and they, you know, wrapped it up really nicely. And so I'm going to unbox it here for you guys. So here is the box, and open it up, and here is the packaging. I love the experience of getting things like luxury things because they just package it so well, you know. Although Zara, I will say though, Zara, they package their stuff up pretty good too, so I can't even say it's just luxury. But anyway, so this is the packaging here, or this is like a little dust bag, I guess. And here is my gift. Let me kind of take it out. And it is a necklace, and it's a Dior necklace. So this piece was on my wish list as well. If you seen that video, I did a luxury wish list of things that I wanted for the year, and so this is one of the pieces, and it's a necklace. So really love this. It's just, you know, costume jewelry, which, you know, I don't really care about that. I love costume jewelry as long as, you know, it doesn't tarnish and, you know, it doesn't break me out. So, but yeah, so I love this piece. It just has Dior on it, very dainty. It was between this one and like the chain with the CD necklace on it. I saw that one in there too, and it was just, I don't know, it was between this one, and that one just kind of looked, it was just like too much out there. Not that I care about that, but I just wanted something dainty. You know, I may go back and get the CD, the Dior bracelet or necklace that's the CD on it, have the CD on it. I may go back and get that one, but this is the one I had on my wish list. So I want to knock out my wish list of things that I know for sure I want before I, you know, go out and get, you know, other pieces. So I just want to get my wish list knocked out first. So so yeah, so this is what I got, you guys, for Valentine's Day from my spouse, and really love it. Can't wait to start wearing it. It's just, it look good with like layered with other necklaces, I feel like. So because I have a few other like dainty necklaces that I got from Anna Louise that I think this would be nice to layer with. So but yeah, so I love this piece, and again, this was on my wish list, and just can't wait to start wearing it. Like, it would be cute with what I have on now. You know, of course, with all these pearls, it probably would kind of get tangled up in my pearls, but yeah, but this with like a, you know, simple shirt, like it would look cute with those two like cutout detail sweaters that I just showed you guys from Urban Revivo. Like, this would be cute to, like, I don't know if it would, I think that would be cute if it like kind of like popped out, you know, between the two little, like the little slit in the shirt and those sweaters. I think that would be cute if it would even do that. Like, I'd have to adjust it to kind of pop between like the little cutout in those tops. But so anyway, so I love it. And again, this was an item on my wish list that I was so excited to, you know, knock out, because yeah, I plan on getting all those things on that wish list. I'm hoping I can anyway. If not, it's no big deal. So excited about my first Dior piece. But yeah, so that's everything, guys. That's my Urban Revival like first impressions review, and also my Dior unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just everything that I showed you guys, I will link down in the description box. So if you're interested in the pieces, then make sure that you know, check down there. And I am going to be doing another Urban Revival. I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, you guys let me know in the comments, because I don't know how to say it. But I am planning on doing another haul, because I did go back on the website after I got these pieces and picked up some more things. So if you want to see what I pick up from there, those, I think one of those pieces is a pre-order, which is the black cardigan, the green one. I got it in the black too, and it's a pre-order. So I don't know, I may not be able to show that one if I get the other two pieces in time, or I may just wait. But yeah, I will be doing a haul as soon as those pieces come in. So but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.